Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Lift the wiper arm away from the windshield and hold it in the raised position so the arm stays steady and you can safely work. Press the release tab on the wiper connector, pull the blade down toward the windshield to unhook it, and slide the blade off the J-hook. Write down blade lengths. Driver 24 inches and passenger 18 inches so you buy the correct replacements before installation and avoid extra trips to the parts store. Slide the new 24-inch blade onto the J-hook until you hear a clear click, confirming the connector has locked. Ensure the blade's rubber edge faces the windshield and the locking tab fully engages. If the adapter includes multiple positions, use the one labeled for hook arms. Lower the arm gently to avoid snapping the wiper onto the glass and repeat the process for the passenger side with the 18-inch blade. Checking alignment. Cycle the wipers with washer fluid to verify full sweep and no streaking across the windshield. Operate them at both low and high speeds to confirm smooth motion. Replace wipers every 6 to 12 months or sooner if you see streaking, tearing, or cracking in the rubber. Environmental exposure shortens life, especially around salt or sun. Check blade seating and connector tightness after the first drive to ensure nothing loosened, and avoid lifting the arm too far or letting it snap back onto the glass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.